Hi everyone, and welcome to Enginuity's Vertical Farming Games. This is game 1 of 3. I'm just going to do a brief walkthrough here for you so you can see how the game works. So when you load into the world, you will load into the abandoned city and you'll be in front of the carpet factory. So to begin with, you can head on inside. You'll get this welcome. So as we walk inside, you'll see there's lots of characters around. So these are NPCs, non-player characters. There'll be ones that give you information, such as these ones, and then there'll be career NPCs, such as this one over here. So we've got a facilities technician. They'll talk to you about what their job is, so make sure you read through all of those. And then we have some educational NPCs as well, such as this one who will explain vertical farming. So to begin the game, you can click on the welcome NPC here who will explain that this is an abandoned carpet factory and they're trying to grow crops inside it. This is called vertical farming, but it's broken and we need your help, so go downstairs to start. So you can head downstairs here to begin the first task. When you get down here, you have another career NPC here who you can interact with and read about their job. The task itself begins over here. So as you can see, we've got some flooding in this room. When you click on the task NPC, they'll tell you that the pipes have burst and to turn off the water supply and then fix the pipes. So that's what we'll do first. We'll head over to the pipes here. If we do that, that stops the flood, and then we can place our pipe here, which fixes that pipe. And then the same with this one. It's turned off that, and now we place that, and now this door is open. Make sure you interact with the task NPC. That has now changed, saying task 1 complete, and they will thank you for fixing it and tell you to head to the next room. So downstairs we go to the second task. So in here, the lights are broken. So over here we have also our aeroponics engineer who will tell you about their job. But in order for you to fix the lights so that the plants can grow properly, you can click on task 2 here. So they say the lights are broken, go up and fix the solar panels. So click on the button to go to the roof. You'll be given 25 solar panels up here, and you'll also be given a nether pickaxe in case you make any mistakes. So say, for example, I place 3 and then accidentally place the 4th. I can use the pickaxe and grab those ones that I placed accidentally. So I'll just finish this and then we'll move on to the next section. So now I've placed all of the solar panels. I can go over to the panel fixer and go back downstairs. And now, if we look around, the lights are back on and working. So then again, click your task NPC. It's now changed to complete. They'll thank you and they'll give you some strawberry seeds that you can plant. So you now have strawberry seeds here. So all you need to do is head over to the soil and right click to plant the strawberries. And you can see how quickly they grow now that the lights are working. So these ones are freshly placed here, for example, and then you can see the strawberries start to grow over here. You can plant as many as you want, but once you're happy with that, you can head downstairs to the third task. So in this room, we have been poisoned. As you can see, your health goes down and you've got little poison bubbles around you. Your task here is to stop the bacterial infection that has poisoned all the plants. So you'll be given different pieces of equipment and you'll be asked to use your planting stick to replant charged seeds and stop the poison. And don't dig the soil or a flood can occur. So click the equipment button and that will give you here, you've got charred seeds, you've got dirt and you've got planting stick. We also have our pest management career NPC over here who will tell you about their job role as well. So for this game, what you should do is left click on the poisoned plants, then get your planting stick and look at your dirt and right click, and that changes it into this. And then with your charred seeds, right click again, and then they can start growing. So I'll just show you that again. So you click on here, right click on here, get your seeds, right click again and plant them. So I'm now going to finish off this task and we will join back at the end. So as you can see on the right hand side of my screen, it says plant yield and then my name and a number that will keep changing. So the more that you plant, and once they are fully grown, that will bring your yield up. You want to hit a yield of 30 in order to move on to the next section. So these ones, for example, don't count as a plant yield because they're still growing. However, these ones over here are fully grown chard, so that counts towards your plant yield. So you have to wait for all of them to fully grow before you can move to the next section. So now I've gotten rid of all of the poison plants and bacteria, and I'm just waiting for the chard to grow. So if you click on the NPC before your yield hits 30, it still says the same thing, and the door to the next level is still closed. But once we hit the 30 yield, then this NPC will change. So now it says yield, plant yield 30 at 31, 32, and so on. Task 3 complete. Click on them, and they will say, good job for stopping the bacterial infection, and you can head downstairs to the final room. So down here we have a little bonus task. This is for if people have finished the other 3 quickly and there's still time left over. In here, now you've fixed everything else, we need you to build your own vertical farm. So you can use the stuff in the chests to get it up and running and using the ones that you've seen above as an example. So in the chest here, we've got red concrete, we've got dirt, we've got charred seeds, we've got grates, we've got white concrete, pickaxes, planting sticks, lots of water, a shovel, an axe, and end rods, which we use as lights and ladders. So this task is just for you to be creative and to fill in as many as you can and build as many vertical farms down here as possible. When you are finished, you can head to the NPC at the back. They will give you a bit more information, and then you can click on this link to find out more and take you to the Enginuity website. Thank you.